a developer. Karanwai Capital and KPMG is hiring for the data engineer and analyst role. So start with the Karanwai Capital. They hire for the junior data engineer role. It is a remote job. You can apply here by clicking here, and as you can see that 10 days left. So here is the recruitment process. You have to give coding assessment round between 15 to 25 September. So move to the qualification and skills. So eligibility. If you are pass out between 2023 to 26, you can apply here. No experience needed. Just you have a experience in projects or hackathon is a valuable for them, and required a bachelor degree in CS, data science or IT can apply here. Now move to the skills. Must have Python, Pandas and NumPy libraries from projects or internships. SQL for queries or optimization. PostgreSQL or MySQL experience, ETL or data cleaning knowledge. Must to have GitHub, Git knowledge, visualization tools, Matplotlib, Tableau, AWS Airflow exposure, and soft skills, problem solving, detail oriented, clear communication, ethical data practice, and proactive learner. So these are the skills and eligibility. Now move to the salary. Company offered 15 LPA and perks like EPF or gratuity, 20 days leave plus 12 holidays in a year, 25,000 for certification like AWS, 25,000 for home office stipend, mentorship, wellness means they providing health benefits, up to 12% bonus, exclusive workplace. How to apply? Apply by October 15, 2025 by Unstoppable. But as you can see that 10 days left, so it's beneficial if you apply before 10 days and give a test. And other thing, by applying, submit a resume in PDF format where education and projects highly mentioned, cover letter 500 words recommended, passion or ethics included, portfolio with GitHub URL, test 75 minute unstopped quiz where Python and SQL. Python test is having NSE data means National Stock Exchange data having in test phase. Interview with team, technical 60 minute Python or SQL based, behavior 45 minute, ESG alignment. Offer by November 1, 2025. Extra details you can read here, and it is a remote and sync at 7:30 p.m. to 1:30 a.m. Means it is a night job, but it is remote, so it's no problem, working fine for anyone. And other details you can read here like night shift 5 days a week, no prior experience 15 days, 15 LPA, work from home full time, medical insurance, flexible hours. So apply here. Let's move to the KPMG hiring for the analyst dev data pipeline for the Mumbai location. Bachelor degree in any discipline, recent graduates mean 2025 or 2026 can apply here. Internship or academic project experience is a plus. No prior work experience required, but internship experience it is a plus point. Required skills: strong communication, interpersonal abilities, basic proficiency, MS Office, problem solving, eagerness to learn, ability to work independently, time management and organization skills. Key responsibilities you can read here like assist senior team members in daily operation and project execution. Assist senior team members in daily operation and project execution. Participate in training sessions and workshops to build domain knowledge. Conduct research and compile report to support business decisions. And you can read here other detail. So apply here by clicking here. So let's end this video. Both job links below in the description, and comment and hit a like button. Subscribe Skillier for more job updates.